Langtang Valley is one of the most beautiful places in Nepal and a favorite trekking destination to many trekkers seeking stunning landscape and authentic culture. And it is one of the nearest and easiest treks from Kathmandu. This trip starts with your arrival to Kathmandu and sightseeing to popular World Heritage sites such as Bauddhanath Stupa, Pashupatinath, Swambhu, Kathmandu Darbar Square, Patan Darbar Square, Bhaktapur Darbar Square and Changunarayan Temple. The next day, your guide will pick you from your hotel and leave Kathmandu early morning. The 7-hour overland journey to Shabrubesi starts from Machapokari bus station. The road climbs high over ridges as it leaves the Kathmandu Valley and provides impressive views of Himalayas. You will drive through the bustling town of Trishuli River before climbing toward Dunche and the Langtang National Park. Dunche is the checkpoint for your national park and trekking permits. After the town of Dunche, it is another hour downhill drive to your lodge in Shabrubesi for the night. Shabrubesi Bazaar is crammed with lodges and hotels. The actual trek starts from the Shabrubesi. Leaving the town, you should take the right trekking trail by crossing the Bodhikoshi River. The trail follows the Langtang River and passes through places like Pahiru, Bamboo and Rimche through the subtropical forest. After 4 to 5 hours of a hike, you will reach to Lama Hotel for overnight stay. Today you will witness some beautiful places as the trail continues to climb through forests, with occasional glimpses of Langtang leading between the trees and waterfalls on the way. After crossing the iron bridge, you will reach Goratabela, where the main valley opens up. Following the scenic trail, you will reach a barren land where the old Langtang village used to exist before the unfortunate earthquake in 2015, showing a moment of respect to the valuable human lives lost through that catastrophe. And your trek here will support the survivors who have resettled in nearby open land that is 5 to 10 minutes apart. The hospitality in delightful tea houses is heartwarming. Strolling within the village provides you an opportunity to observe the local culture closely. From Langtang, the trail climbs gradually through yak pastures as the valley opens out further with more engaging views. After crossing several small streams and moraine, the trail reaches the Kyangchin Kompa. There are small monasteries and a government-operated cheese factory, which is a good place to stay overnight. It is worth to spend one more day at Kyangchin Kompa, where you can do many side treks like Langshisa Kharka, Tsergori and Yalapik Base Camp. You can also just relax reading books with a cup of hot coffee in cozy bakeries. The afternoon is popular for a short hike to Kyangchin-ri. It will be the highest trek point if you don't plan to hike Tsergori. hike up to the top of the Serkuri, where the 360-degree views of the snow-capped mountains are truly breathtaking. If you are lucky enough, then you will witness wild animals like blue sheep and mountain goats. You will also see some domestic animals like yaks and horses on the way. After your exploration day in Kanchenjunga, you will retrace to Shabrubesi and drive to Kathmandu. If you have more time in Nepal, then you can also extend your trek by continuing to Gosaikunda or Tamang Heritage Area.